I don't know about you, but I've always fancied seeing my book advertised in posters, on the underground and in shopping malls and things like that. And because I don't get the kind of marketing budget that gets me that sort of things, I am going to fake it. So this is where Canva mockups and templates come in useful. I have several mockups that I've made, so they're not through any of the Canva apps. I've just made them myself. If you want to get those for free, sign up for the newsletter and you can get those. And you just drag and drop your book cover in, change your quote to whatever you want to say, and then you're good to go. Let's go to the Canva homepage, create a document, and let's go for Facebook post. This is a kind of old school idea, so if you're new here, this is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you are an author and you'd like to talk to other authors, come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you would like some free stuff, sign up for the newsletter. Link also in the description. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of tea to say thank you, you can do that too. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go and find the Mockups app. So scroll down till you find apps. Search for Mockups. Now, Canva has loads and loads of apps. Some of them are free and some of them are pro. Anything which is pro will have a little crown on it. And a lot of these apps are made by third parties, so they're not actually part of Canva. So occasionally you get like several free goes, and then you get told if you want to use it again, you need to pay. Now, the Mockups app, as far as I know, is not one of those things. It's through Canva itself. It does have a pro bit where if you want to create a mock-up template, so you take one of your own photos and you want to turn one of your own photos into a mock-up template, you can do that. But for that, you need Canva Pro, right? But we're going with the Canva free stuff. And so we're going to go look for outside somewhere in here. There's outdoor, right? Because we're going to put our book on a subway or a shopping center or somewhere. I quite liked this one, but there's a few others. Anything where you've got this vertical feel to it rather than the landscape. So yeah, you can have your book on a bus stop, on a coffee shop, something like that, next to a train, on a billboard thing, on a board outside. Anyway, I'm going to go with this one because it looks like somebody is advertising my book in a shopping center. I mean, who knows, one day maybe I'll have a book with a marketing budget big enough, but in the absence of that, let's fake it. So then we go to uploads, where you should have already uploaded a cover of your book. If you haven't, click on upload files, go and find your file, double click on it, it'll turn up in here. Right, so let's look for my thing. This is my latest book, The Winner Bakes It All. What we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop into here. It'll take a minute. And there you go. There's my book in some empty shopping mall somewhere. They do also have video mock-ups. So let's go back, do the same again. Mock-ups. And there's a few lovely ones which are just books. But I saw quite a silly one where it was just rotating. And I want to see what that looks like. This is good for Christmas. That will probably look quite nice too. I wanted to try this one, see what it looked like, because I'm always fascinated by frames that are videos. Let's see, what does this look like? Right, go to uploads again, get my book cover, drag it in, give it a moment. Oh, it's doing some, it's having a little think. And let's see what that looks like when you play. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I wish they'd do that with an ebook reader, because that would look extremely cool. And then you could remove the background and put it in front of whatever you wanted. I hope you found this useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.